anyway, my mate. So we just need the nice black juicy ones that feel nice when you touch them on your hand.
Right, so that's not good this one.
Try and get the bigger ones first, so I could have big juicy at the back there. Yeah, that one's coming straight off.
That's very soft, that one.
Okay, that one there. More can we get? What are they like? Are they alright? Is there any
what about
softer
that
ones that feel soft to touch? Oh, that's a good in there. That one's come off.
What about this one?
How does it feel with your fingers? It feel nice. If it feels nice and fleshy, not hard, and it comes off nicely. If you're having to pull it off like that, it's not done. It should just come straight off in your hand.
Oh,
Otherwise, it gets a bit sweet.
You see them like?
We'll clean this out. Alright, we'll clean it out when we do it after.
What about these? All these ones here.
Oh, are they juices?
Are they hard?
They're coming off, mate. Coming off nice.
That one came off easy, that one.
Just pulled off nicely. Right, there's that one.
What about that one?
Go for it, see if it comes off nice.
Yeah.
So if it comes off nicely, straight away it's fine. If they're quite tight, let's walk around then. Let's walk around and see what there is. If they're quite tight to pull off, they're dead sour and bitter, like that one there.
Is that one good?
It's juicy, that one. How many have we got? A few more yet. Oh, there's somewhere on the back here, Harry.
All of these three.
1 second, yeah, mate. Some juicy ones there. One. No, I don't like that one. That one. Excuse me.
What about that?
Yeah, it's fine, because all we want to talk. What we're going to do, mate, is get the juice out. Where?
That.
Throw it.
I have to check all of them. And things.
We'll give him a wash anyway, so we'll be alright. So all we want, mate, is the juice. We don't care if there's any bugs in it or not. We'll wash them out anyway. But the only thing we need out of it really, Harry, is the juice. So because we're going to do some gin, we just want the juice out of it,
No,
mate.
we're not using these for the gin.
Yeah, we are.
No, we're not.
Yeah, we are.
I want it to eat these.
You can have some. You can have some. I'm not going to use them all.
Don't use the big juicy ones.
Well, I need some. I need to try and fill the bowl at least, because I need quite a few.
This is pretty good.
I need quite a few.
You got all some free at the back here.
Let's have a look.
Starting to get a bit heavy.
Is it? Oh, good. It's not going to be quite. We'll see how that one goes. What am I like? Oh, that's all. Oh, I don't know what they've been. See, that's a bit damaged, that one.
Yeah, don't get rid of that. I've got blackberries as well. I mean, them berries.
Yeah. Where? Oh, there's none of them left, is there? We've got none left of them.
Oh.
They've all been gone. Right, how many have we got there? Where are you looking? Oh, how did you miss that? I missed that. How did I miss that little beaut there?
Is that one good?
It's been used. It's quite soft. Could use that for the gin.
Yeah, that's good. What are these red berries?
Oh, yeah, have you all some here? No, the red berries go black, don't they? That's what it is. You get the red ones. You can't really use them because they're too sweet. They're too bitter. They're not sugar in them yet.
I mean, what are the red ones?
No, the red ones aren't done yet. They go black. The red,
what
they
about
go
that
red
one?
because you go from red to black.
What about that one?
That one there.
Got a load.
See, I could have done with all them for the gin. That's what I mean. Right, let's walk around because the thing is, these will all go black the next week, and you'll have more.
You can actually use these for the gin.
That's what we still can use them. Right, we've got enough then.
Yeah.
Got enough for the gin. We don't want too much.
See how little. It's a little bit heavy.
Oh, Phil, do. Go on, you grab that.
Yeah.
Is there any around here? Around here, look, there's some around here now and again. Is there any there?
No.
There is. See, I'd rather get ones that high up off the ground, not that height.
But
I'll leave
look
them ones where.
See that?
Yeah, I'm going to leave the ones that are by the grass level, leave them. But are them there, look. Them are alright though.
Can't see you.
They're not too low down. Round here, oh god. Any round there? What are them like? juices there. Let's have a look at the rhubarb.
Yeah.
Not a bad little find.
What?
Right, let's go to the rhubarb. Right, so let's have a look at the rhubarb. I want the reddest ones we can get. We need about, I think it's 2 kilos worth. Sort of careful, you okay?
The apples.
I know. I don't think they're done yet though.
I know, but they're turning a bit.
They might be getting a bit fleshier. Let's have a look. Oh, I don't. Oh, they're still a bit hard. It's not worth it yet. Well, let's have a look in here anyway. So want the ones with the red stalks now, yeah? There's some quite big ones.
Oh my god, look at the size of them.
They're good, aren't they?
I think you should get that one for definite.
That one there? I want one that's more red though.
That's huge.
That one, see that one there? That's red. You want the ones with the red on,
Okay.
the rhubarb. So there's one. Is there any more? There's a good in there. 2. Put in.
That's a good one. That's a good one, that. Why? What's wrong with the green ones?
Want the red ones because they're the ones that are more done. They won't be as. Let's go back over there.
So you're saying that massive one's not done?
What it is the stems. They've got to go red at the bottom. That one's getting there, but if you look at the ones over here, I think we've got some good ones over here, mate. Let's just have a look what we've got.
Can you hold these blackberries?
Put them on the side. Just put them on the side on the bench. You're okay. Not going anywhere. Here you go, Harry. Look. There's what I'm talking about. Here, look. See them there?
Wow.
So they're red at the bottom. Now them. That's nice and red, isn't it? So grab that one, my mate.
The leaf.
That's fine. Don't worry about the leaf. We'll sort it out. So grab
There's
that.
a spider on it.
Don't worry about the spider. Just grab it. That one there. And we'll get. I think we'll have that one. How many we got now, Harry?
4.
4 big ones. Right, that'll be enough, I reckon. You reckon that'll be enough?
I got a
Right, should we go for it? So that's enough then. We think we got enough there, haven't we? We don't want too much. Get a little baby one there. That's a good one. There, that one there. Oh, then. All the berries, and just look at about 5 nice stalks of rhubarb. Thank you. and berries, are you? All right, Harry. Give it a good shake and try and get all the bloody sugar on it and everything.
But don't swear.
It's an old shake.